Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two fantastic cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. If you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator, this video is perfect for you. We'll be evaluating these cameras based on their features, performance, and value for money. So let's dive right in. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 boasts a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor with no low-pass filter. This results in a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor. Both sensors capture stunning details and produce high-quality images. If you're into video recording, both cameras offer impressive capabilities. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 supports 4K video capture, allowing you to shoot in 4K QFHD resolution. It also features exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus, which enables you to set your desired focus points after taking the photo. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 captures 4K movies oversampled from 6K, ensuring amazing details and no pixel binning. It's perfect for vlogging or capturing high-quality videos for your projects. When it comes to versatility and portability, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 shines. It comes with a kit that includes two super compact lenses, the 12 to 32 mm f3.5 to 5.6 and the 45 to 150 mm f4.0 to 5.6. This allows you to have a wide range of focal lengths while keeping the camera lightweight and compact. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers a product showcase setting, which transitions focus from face to object seamlessly. It also features a background defocus button, instantly toggling the defocus effect on and off, giving you creative control over your shots. Both cameras offer convenient features for content creators. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 comes with a live viewfinder and a tilting LCD display, providing flexibility in shooting from different angles. It also features in-body 5-axis dual image stabilization, ensuring clear handheld shots even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 allows easy live streaming with a single USB cable, eliminating the need for extra hardware or software. This is a great advantage for those who frequently live stream their content. And there you have it. We've compared the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 in terms of image quality, video recording, versatility, and convenience. Both cameras have their unique strengths, so it depends on your specific needs and preferences. Let us know in the comments which camera caught your attention. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.